Hi, if you're looking for a powerful and flexible web hosting, then you are on the right video. After testing a huge number of hosting services, I chose the best one for myself. I have been working with this for over 5 years. It offers many shared virtual private servers. In this short video, I will show you 7 features that will help you and make it the best in the best web hosting category. And now, I will show you everything in detail with an illustrative example.
Linode is a cloud hosting service specializing in high-performance Linux SSD servers. It is distinguished by its successful, innovative approach to security. This includes participation in the HackerOne bug bounty program, which pays hackers to find vulnerabilities. The company doesn't use standard industry terms though. It refers to its plans. They are roughly equivalent to VPS hosting. Along with a wide variety of plans, Linode can help your business with the following features: 9 data centers in 3 separate regions, virtual console for server access, Linode API, command line access, ability to deploy a customizable stack, DNS Manager, scaling and cloning, full IPv6 support, recovery mode, also called recovery mode by Linode. Linode specializes in high-performance cloud hosting for developers. One of the main arguments for Linode is its high level of uptime. All companies should demand this feature, especially in today's environment. The 99.9% server uptime guarantee should not be overlooked. The desire for simplicity is perfectly reflected in the control panel. The layout is well thought out and easy to navigate. Moreover, the ability to change things to suit individual needs is also a definite advantage. As far as monitoring is concerned, no one could ask for more. Once the account is activated, the server can be up and running in seconds. These strategies and focus on the key cores. Unmanageable means that a little extra work may be necessary to achieve the desired results. However, the tools are all there. The advanced API platform, as well as the scaling and DNS management tools, make it easy. If the user has the skills to use these resources, the results can be overwhelming. Although not managed by default, it is possible to upgrade to a managed solution. Other add-ons include node balancers and Longview. The latter can help systems run more smoothly than ever before. Finally, of note is the fact that the company boasts a downloadable app. Smartphones are ubiquitous in modern life. The app allows customers to create new Linodes, track existing items, and even manage the payment aspects of an account. Having the ability to monitor business decisions on the go is a huge plus for choosing Linode. All Linode plans include root access and SSH. However, there is still a large degree of versatility present. Linode offers a total of 9 standard plans. They range from 1 GB of RAM to 96 GB of RAM, which means businesses of all sizes can find the right level. The starter package includes 1 GB of RAM, 1 core processor, 24 GB SSD drive, 2 TB transfer, 125 MB per second network output. It's probably best to start with the smaller package, as upgrades can be done later if needed. All services are automatically billed on an hourly basis with a set monthly limit. However, there is an additional charge if the transfer rate is exceeded. Payments can be made from many different sources. This includes both MasterCard and American Express. Linode's website is customer-focused, and this is a testament to the high level of support features available online. They boast many guides, from getting started to migrating existing packages to the Linode platform. There is also an entire section dedicated to tutorials to help customers. These can be especially useful for new Linux users. However, customers may want to contact the experts directly. This can be done via phone or Skype, while the company also boasts expected streams on social networks such as Twitter. In addition to these customer support services, Linode also hosts a forum where customers can discuss various issues. In addition to announcements directly from the company, it is a great resource for those trying to use Linux servers. Meanwhile, it's a good way to get advice on any problems you might encounter along the way. Linode takes security seriously. The company does a lot to keep your site as secure as possible. Currently, Linode constantly scans its networks and supporting systems to make sure everything is configured correctly, updated with patches and fixes, and free of any security vulnerabilities. Partner with HackerOne, whose security researchers are paid to find and document vulnerabilities in Linode system. Conduct regular system testing, including penetration testing and application testing. Secure your data center, limiting access only to employees and unauthorized visitors verified by biometrics. Implementing redundant routers, switches, and service providers so multiple systems can fail without causing downtime or performance issues. Offers two-factor authentication to protect your account. Protection against DDoS attacks. Vulnerability management. Linode constantly scans networks and systems for anything out of the ordinary. Robust certificates up to 9+ for every region, with London the most. Customers will be happy to know that Linode offers a 7-day money-back guarantee. This is an especially handy option because some customers can't handle unmanageable items. However, if customers do realize that they have made a mistake here, they will only lose a $5 surcharge. By and large, that's not bad at all.